The Digital Transformation for Healthcare program is all about navigating a big period of transition for healthcare. From what we have done since the dawn of antibiotics about a century ago to what we need to do to manage health, illness, and wellness alongside powerful tools like AI. The program is essentially for everyone with a stake in making digital tools a key part of the health and wellness journey. It's for people who develop these tools. It's for people who use digital tools to manage patients or hospitals. And it's for people who want to lead the healthcare industry from now, where we manage healthcare in very siloed settings, to a healthcare industry that thrives on information generation, information sharing, and information use that everyone can be part of. So the Digital Transformation for Healthcare program at GBSH is about providing participants with a clear framework with which to navigate this transition. If we understand the changes that we are going through, then it's more likely we'll be able to lead people and organizations through this change.
So in this course, we'll cover the landscape of digital health, evolution in the ecosystem, what some of the strategies are for understanding these evolutions. Also deep dives into different technologies. So we'll look at things like AI, robotics, telehealth, data, among others. And then ultimately, a lot of the course is geared around change readiness, including concepts related to the ethics and the regulation about digital health.
Healthcare leaders are facing this incredible challenge of delivering on their current promises of making healthcare safer, cheaper, better, while also ensuring that what they do now is going to be relevant in 5 or 10 years. Current leaders in healthcare have been shaped by the forces at the intersection of academic research, the pharma industry, and government regulation of safety, innovation, and markets in healthcare. But there's a new kid on the block, AI and all the cool digital technologies. But we have to remember it's still a kid, and we can shape this kid into the best version of themselves they can be. So there's no better place to understand digital transformation for healthcare than the Global Business School for Health. The digital transformation is all about meeting people and organizations where they are and helping them get to where they want to be while leveraging all the advantages that digital technologies can offer.
Join us at the UCL Global Business School for Health and lead change where it matters most.